Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit a WordPress website in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explained everything about how to edit a WordPress website in cPanel. So here's how to edit a WordPress website using cPanel using these two different yet very easy methods. Using cPanel HTML editor, use cPanel to access to WordPress dashboard. Using cPanel HTML editor, you can edit your WordPress website through cPanel's HTML editor by logging into cPanel and then clicking on File Manager. From there, you can select the file you want to edit and then click on the HTML editor icon. After that, you'll need to select the character set encoding that the file uses. Once you've done that, you can click on Edit to make changes to the file. After making the necessary changes, click Save. That's it, you're done. Use cPanel to access your WordPress dashboard. The easiest way to change the content of your WordPress website is not through cPanel, but through your WordPress dashboard itself. However, if you've lost your WordPress website login information, it would be practically impossible to do this. This is where cPanel comes in. First, simply log into your cPanel dashboard for your web hosting account. Then, open up the file manager in cPanel and go to the root directory of your WordPress installation. The default location is public HTML WordPress. Once you're in the root directory, you will see a file called wp-config.php. This file contains all of the information about your WordPress installation, including the password for the administrator account. Get the admin password, login information listed, then log into your WordPress dashboard and edit your WordPress website from there. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.